Hi, I'm Alfred. Let me show you an easier way to run a campaign. Meet Alfred lets you create different types of automated outreach campaigns. Depending on your subscription, you can choose from several options, including LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, in-mail, email, or multi-channel campaigns. To get started, click on Create Campaign. The first step is to choose how you'd like to add your leads, whether by URL, uploading a file, or using saved searches, among other options, depending on your plan. Once you've added your leads, you can begin building your campaign sequence by adding the actions you want Meet Alfred to perform. For example, you might want to start with a step to view the profile or like a recent post. Next, you could add a connection request, followed by a LinkedIn message. You can customize the timing between each step by adjusting the delay in days or hours. Plus, you can personalize your messages using our built-in snippets. These automatically insert each lead's name, company, job title, and more. If you've saved any messages or campaign templates in your account, you can insert those too. There's no limit to the number of steps you can add, so you can keep your sequence as short or as detailed as you need. Once you're happy with your setup, click Next. Give your campaign a name and review the summary of your sequence. When everything looks good, hit Publish. Your campaign will start running automatically and you'll begin to see real-time analytics. You can pause a campaign at any time by clicking the pause icon. From the drop-down menu, you can also edit, delete, archive, or add more leads to your campaign. Clicking on a campaign will show you a detailed overview, including your full campaign sequence, leads being targeted, any leads skipped or ignored, and the reasons why, and a full breakdown of every action Meet Alfred has performed. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.